Okay, now we're on to the section that's point on a figure transformations level 2. And this figure is being reflected over the x-axis, so this way, and then translated up 3 units. So we reflect it first and then translate it up 3 units. What are the coordinates of the image of point W after these transformations? Right now, point W is at the ordered pair 2, 3. When we reflect it over the x-axis, it would be at 2, -3, right here. And then we would go up 3. So its ordered pair, it would be right here at 2, 0. Okay, and there's the simulation there. You can see it going up. Yeah, all right. New problem there. Let's see. This is going 180 degrees clockwise and then translate it up 2. So just make sure you use your rules on your note cards for the rotations. And it did specify clockwise, but remember for 180 degrees, clockwise and counterclockwise would be the same thing. But remember, if it says like 90 degrees, just rotated, you would do clockwise, not counterclockwise. So if it doesn't specify, it's clockwise. There are 3 of those. And then this one I really like. It says determine a series of transformations that would map polygon ABCDE onto polygon A prime, B prime, C prime, D prime, E prime. So from here to here. So what would happen? Well, we can see from the pink to the blue that there's an enlargement. And so I like to look at, if there's a horizontal line, I like to look at it and just count. That's 2 units, and up here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 units. So it's multiplied by 3. So there's a dilation centered at the origin with a scale factor of 3. Okay, so so that part's pretty straightforward, but then you have to figure out what the next transformation would be to get it to map here. And so just pick a point. It doesn't matter which one. If I pick point B, right now it's at 2, 1, and I multiply the 2 times 3 and the 1 times 3, I have 6, let's see, 2, 1 would be 6, 3. So B would be at 6, 3 right here, but it's actually been moved. And I can tell that it's been moved 1, 2, 3, 3 to the right. So let me pick another point and go over that process with you again. So let's say we pick point E. Right now on the pre-image, it's at 1, 4. If I multiply both the X and the Y by 3, that would be 3, 12. So E would be at 3, 12 right here. But in reality, the image is moved over 3. So we have, after the dilation by a scale factor of 3, we have a translation to the right 3. So I do translation, right 3. And I'm going to try it and just see. There was the dilation, there's the translation. And then it tells me I'm correct, so I can submit it. So that's cool. If you weren't correct, you would just try again. Like, let's just say, well, it's not going to let me redo that one. But let's just say I hadn't put the translation of 3 units. The simulation would show me that it would just go here and not over, and it would tell me to do it again. So I really, really, really like this section because it's called Discovery, and it's allowing you to try it and then redo it if it doesn't work. And there'll be 5 of those. Now this next section, let's see. I put 3 of them, and it's not Discovery. It's the same type of thing, but it's not Discovery, so you won't be able to try it first. So make sure that on this Discovery section that you're really trying it and understanding it before you go on to the non-Discovery section. So if we look right here, we're going from the pink to the blue because they do not have the primes on it, and the blue does. So what is happening? And I like to always look at a point and see what's going on. So if I look at point E here and point E over here, it has changed orientation. So I know it's been a rotation. It'd be 90 degrees counterclockwise. And you can use the rules to see that it was 90 degrees counterclockwise. And then, of course, it's been doubled in size. And so it's a dilation of 2. Okay, I know that went really quick.